Video showcases a real-world prototype cockpit developed using NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, a powerful AI governance engine designed to build domain-specific AI products across business verticals. It transforms raw enterprise data into structured, governed intelligence by integrating the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, with Analyzer 1.0 under the IGA 2026 framework, ensuring that intelligence is not only generated but also governed, validated, and audit-ready for enterprise decision-making. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, this framework represents a shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable decision intelligence. This HMIS plus patient care plus patient log analysis cockpit separates intelligence from authority. Pure AI and AGI style analysis remain in Inform. Analyzer 1.0 governs through KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI, RMSE, release gate, and policy thresholds. Assure packages evidence, logs, and media for audit-ready healthcare governance. ICU pressure trend analysis, weekly observation. The chart presents a weekly trend of ICU pressure, reflecting the load on critical care resources across 7 days. Starting from Monday, the pressure begins at a moderate level and steadily increases through midweek, indicating a gradual rise in patient admissions or resource utilization. This upward trend suggests a growing demand on ICU infrastructure during the early part of the week. From Tuesday to Thursday, the increase is consistent and controlled, showing a predictable pattern of rising occupancy or patient intensity. This phase represents a stable but increasing workload, where hospital systems must ensure adequate staffing, equipment readiness, and monitoring to handle the escalation without compromising care quality. The peak occurs on Friday, where ICU pressure reaches its highest point. This is a critical signal for governance systems, as it may indicate maximum capacity utilization or near-threshold stress on resources. At this stage, proactive decision-making such as load balancing, patient prioritization, or resource redistribution becomes essential to prevent system overload. Following the peak, there is a noticeable decline over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. This reduction could be due to patient discharges, fewer emergency admissions, or operational adjustments made after the peak. The downward trend reflects recovery and stabilization of ICU capacity, which is important for maintaining system resilience. From a governance perspective under IGA 2026, this chart belongs to the Inform layer, providing early signals but not making decisions. The Analyzer 1.0, Govern layer, would evaluate whether the Friday peak breached any policy thresholds, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI, and decide if intervention was required. The Assure layer would then record all actions taken, ensuring auditability and continuous improvement. Summary. The ICU pressure shows a controlled rise during weekdays, peaks on Friday, and declines over the weekend, indicating cyclical demand. This pattern highlights the need for governance-driven monitoring, timely intervention at peak load, and continuous assurance for safe and efficient healthcare operations. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. This chart tracks billing throughput, claim processing, and revenue cycle stress. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 governance architecture. His work transforms AI from pure prediction into governed, validated, and audit-ready decision intelligence across healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, logistics, and other domains. In this cockpit, healthcare intelligence is produced in Inform, governed in Analyzer 1.0, and preserved in Assure before authority is accepted.